Buick to take a look at, just in at Unique, Specialty, and Classics. 1956 Buick Special Riviera. Of course, the Riviera in 56 basically stood for two-door hardtop. Riviera as a model didn't come along until 1963 when Bill Mitchell designed it. This particular car is still powered by the 322 cubic inch nailhead V8 underneath the hood. That would be the correct size engine for this car. As you can see, finished off black and white paint combination. A little bit of a color change there. This one would have came with a black roof and harvest yellow down the sides. And you can see that on the data tag as far as the paint code, trim code. Interior appears to be a 432, which would have been black and white interior, which would be correct on this model. Also nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, and it does have AC components there, although we have not had the AC working. You'd want to check that out in the still pictures, see what I'm talking about there. Now, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description is going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Let you look at this iconic front end of the 56 Buick. A lot of chrome, a lot of bright work. Paint and chrome bright work shows well in this car. Be a nice one for any of your local cruise-ins, roll-ins. Have a little fun on a Sunday afternoon. Of course, here's where the two-door hardtop comes into play. There's no post between the front and rear windows. Bright work looks good on this car. Of course, the 3 vent-a-ports. Be correct on the special. Black and white cloth and vinyl interior combination. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Original air cleaner will come with it also. Will be in the trunk. And you can see pictures of the trunk, the underside, the interior at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. There's a spoked wheel cover. You can see the dual exhaust coming out the rear bumpers. And again, a lot of bright work and chrome in the rear of this car. Mid-50s, of course, the heyday of the chrome when it all started. And a lot of it on the Buick, Oldsmobile, and Cadillacs. Let's take a look up and down the driver's side. Again, you can see the paint and bright work show well. Let's go ahead and check out this interior. Now that nailhead V8 would be paired up with an automatic transmission. We also have power windows. Power antenna is working. I also had the radio fire up. I was not able to get reception or get a station in indoors here, but the radio did fire up, and the antenna is powered and does work properly. Let's go ahead. This also has the foot-feet start, so we're just gonna turn the key to on. We're in neutral, as you can see. Push the foot-feet, starts up. Amp gauge works. Oil pressure, fuel pressure, gauges all work. Assuming temperature gauge is going to come up with the temperature of the vehicle. Not had it running long enough or gotten warm for that to move. Now, power antenna, as you can see here, did go up once the key was turned on. You can hear that nailhead, smooth runner. Slip around to the back seat here. Closes nicely. Listen to that, just a little bit of rumble coming out of that V8 underneath the hood. Speaking of which, let's pop the hood and let's check it out and see how it looks underneath there. Give me a second, let's get the hood popped.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Smooth runner, as you can see in here. Also, power brakes, new booster and master cylinder, it appears. Power steering. Again, original air cleaner as well as this too. That'll be in the trunk. Components to the AC, like I said, well, not hooked up as far as on the pulley system. This is free, does spin, same with the clutch. Just have not had it working, FYI. There you go, looking for a nice two-door hardtop, or in this case, a Riviera. 1956 Buick Special Riviera. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It'll take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.